Fruits can be very beneficial to our health. Some of them help our intestines to function correctly, others prevent sicknesses. And some can even help us with cosmetic issues. They are very nutritious, and chock full of medicinal properties. That's why we have to know how to choose which ones to eat according to our individual health needs. Papaya, for example, is a sweet, soft fruit that is rich in antioxidants and enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that are great for health. It's great at preventing heart diseases and arteriosclerosis, protecting us from rheumatoid arthritis and macular degeneration, lowering our cholesterol, and stimulating our immune system. One of its strongest benefits, however, is probably its digestive, diabetic, and laxative properties. An enzyme present in the papaya, papain, works in our digestive tract and helps our bodies dissolve protein more efficiently. When mixed with oats, we get the perfect combination for anyone who wants to lose weight, since oats slow down our bowel movements, making us feel full for longer. Whenever the fiber present in oats comes in contact with a liquid, it turns into a gel, making our stool larger and more compact. This way, we absorb less cholesterol and glucose. This can be especially beneficial for diabetic people who need to maintain and control their blood sugar levels. Fiber also aids in the development of intestinal microflora and improves your bowel movements by giving priority to digestion and nutrient absorption. Finally, this combination is also great for anyone suffering from constipation, abdominal bloating or flatulence. Here's the recipe for how to combine these ingredients together in a delicious smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of diced papaya, 1 cup of natural low-fat yogurt and 2 tablespoons of bran oats. Instructions: blend all of the ingredients together, drink immediately. It is recommended that you drink 1 cup of this daily, as soon as you wake up. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.